Okay guys, went garage selling this morning because I found an ad on Craigslist last night that said it was today's only sale. The guy was a transmission mechanic. He's on hospice right now. The lady didn't know what anything was worth, so I gave her a little bit of money sometimes. I didn't argue with her on prices because her prices were so low anyway. But I did feel bad about a couple of things. But at the same time, I'm going to use them. So this right here, this tool cabinet, it's older, but it is snap-on. See? Comes with the key. Comes with the little clippy dippy thing there. It is a 3-shelf hanger on the wall and throw your shit in. And he's got a bunch of different stuff over here on the door panel, different numbers and everything. So that looks like grease pen. That ought to clean up pretty easy. There's the tag off of the top of it. I went ahead and gave her $15 for it. I didn't try to argue with her because, hell, it was 15 bucks. You can't argue over that. It's right here. It's a snap-on drill index. 25 bucks. These drill indexes are guaranteed for life, which is why you buy them. It's missing a few of the smaller ones, but that's cheap as hell, man. 25 bucks for this? I bet you it's 300 new. And I haven't looked at prices on these in a long time. I got these for 10 bucks. They're T-handle Allen wrenches. They are Blue Point. But I don't have T-handles. These are all SAE too. Made in USA, so I'm not gonna complain. I gave her 10 bucks for this C-clamp, which is a Matco, so it's a good one. 6-incher. This right here is a Mac seal puller. You hook that seal up on this end, you tap this side with a hammer. I believe there's supposed to be a rubber grip here, so I'm going to try to find a big piece of rubber to set on there. And you know, that way that shit doesn't dig into my fingers. But I mean, go price one of them new, and I gave her 10 bucks for it. This right here, outside spring-loaded seal puller, hammer action, snap on. I gave 5 bucks for it. This right here is a Matco. It's USA with screwdriver handle, slide puller. It's an inside. So that one's an outside, this one's an inside. I gave her 5 bucks for this one also. The nut's been welded there. I actually just noticed that, but that doesn't fucking matter. Not all of these trim tools. These are all Blue Point, and this is a snap-on one. I gave 25 bucks for these, which she wanted 10 bucks for them, but like I said, I found out her husband was on hospice. I went ahead and donated her an extra 15 bucks. I'm not a dick all the time. He's right here. She's missing a 5/32 and a 1/2-inch transfer punch. These are made in Japan. So And there's a couple of them here that have been, well, maybe they're just upside down. Yeah, they're just upside down. Oh, because they've been mashed on the end, mushroomed out. I have to grind that shit off of there because it's all mushroomed out. All the rest of this stuff, I gave 15 bucks for the box. And I don't even know what all's in here, but it was 15 bucks for the box, so I grabbed it. Didn't fucking rain. These right here, TC. US patent pending. I don't know. These are Matco pliers. They're inside to outside. I forget what you call these damn things. But anyway, $1. Come on. These right here are Mac. They are the inside or outside. It's a screw that holds that together. Snap ring pliers, 90 degree. This right here is a Hayden trans tool. I don't know about Hayden. I will definitely look them up though. A little pry bar thingy here. So and it's a little thinner, which is why I grabbed it, because like I said, it was $1. Another brake shoe. I don't have one that has this funky end on it, the fork, so I went ahead and picked it up. It's snap-on. It was $1. These are broken snap ring pliers, but it says USA on them. I'm gonna guess that they're probably Mac, but it's all worn off of the thing there. These might actually not be snap ring. No, they're not. Those have a hash in them. They've been checkered on the end, so those are not snap ring pliers. These are the same thing these big Matcos are. If it's a CV boot crimper, but KD tools, made in USA, $1. Snap-on wheel weight with the hammer, $1. This is a Blue Point, some kind of fucking, I don't know what, but it was $1. I went ahead and grabbed it. YA121 1201 USA. Here's some Blue Point. They look kind of like snap ring pliers, but I'm not exactly sure. It looks like they were interchangeable tips on these, maybe. But yeah, I'm not sure, but $1. Big old screwdriver. I'm gonna change this into something else, which is, you know, just fine. Maybe not. It's actually a Mac. I don't know if it picks that up, but it's a Mac. $1. I'm definitely gonna change this one. It's a no name. Damn it, it's not. It's Matco Cap Opener with this thing, but I'm not now. I'm gonna keep that. Damn it. Screwed. It was $1. Here's some more of those. These actually have the hash marks and then indentations in them. These are snap-on. Same kind as those other ones that go from inside out. Good old, I think this was stainless, I don't know. SP29 USA. Can't make out the actual name on them though. I thought it was Stanley, but it's a Cotter Pin Puller, which is good for hoses too. This right here, KD tool for brake springs on drum brakes. Pop those in, twist them. This right here I thought was fucking sweet. It's a Thexton, not Sexton, Thexton 1-inch carburetor nut wrench, and it has a gauge right here for 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8, so you can quickly figure out what it is. But yeah, little 12-point, kind of like a crow's foot there at the end, or flare nut wrench. Yeah, this thing's gonna be awesome. That old Chevy got that carburetor, and it's 1-inch fitting, holds the fuel filter in the front of the carb where the line comes in. These are snap-on. These are brake spring, well, drum brake pliers is what they are. And if you don't know how to use these, you're being frustrated doing brake drums, because once you learn how to do these or use these things are so fucking easy. They make drum brakes as easy as disc brakes. These are the old style snap-on. It has the vacuum grip, that's what they call it. So these are actually probably somewhere in the 50s, maybe 40s. I don't know. There's an 8 there for a date code. So I might go ahead and look that up and see what it is. But again, $1. Here's some more of those fancy pliers, snap-on, $1. Here's some more snap ring pliers. These are actually Miller, is what it says there. $1. These are inside, outside to inside. And no, you can't flip it because it's riveted. And then these snap-on. I originally thought these were just slip joints, but these are actually hose clamp pliers for the old style wire hose clamps. I have a set of these that are proto in my box right now, and these things are fucking excellent. I mean, still use them today. So anyway, that was the garage sale tool haul. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. Don't send me any panties, because they never fit.